thunderstorm was located over Prestonsburg, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Alvin around 7 p.m. McCombs around 7:05 p.m. Gilner around 7:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Marie. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Floyd, Johnson, Martin, and Pike.